Now we're going to install Windows 11 inside Oracle virtual machine known as VirtualBox. So all you have to do is search for download Windows 11 ISO on your browser, and thereafter you scroll down a little bit. I need to reject this. Scroll down a little bit and click on download Windows 11 ISO there. Then you scroll down, you should be able to see the option of, yeah, that's it. So you click on the drop down and select Windows 11. Then you can go through the prerequisites needed just to ensure your device meets the specification. Then thereafter click on download now and select your product language. We'll go for English, United States. Click on confirm, give it a few seconds, and boom, you've got the option to download your Windows 11 ISO. So give it a couple of minutes, between 1 to 2 minutes to suffice, depending on your internet speed. And boom, we're done. And next, you have to open up VirtualBox and click on New. Give it a name. Name this Windows 11, and allow just leave that option as it was. You can put in a password of your choice, and thereafter just put in your password of your choice. Let me use that. And thereafter you open up the specify virtual hardware. You can, depending on your device capacity, but for a home lab, I'll just leave it as it is. And for the hard disk file location, I think I'll just give this 120 gigabytes. 120. Yeah, that should be it. Then I think that's it. Yeah, that should be it. Just click on finish. Yeah, virtual disk image. Yeah, that should be it. So just click on finish, and once that is done, you fire up. It automatically fires up your Windows 11 virtual machine. Give it a few minutes, depending on how swift it gets, and should be able to load. And boom, we're in, or almost in anyway. So just hold on patiently for it to finish installing Windows 11. As you can see, it's currently installing. So this might take a few minutes, and so on and so forth. Just be patient, all right? And that's it. We are done. All right, we are done. So, but for the sake of optimization, we need to install guest additions. All right, to ensure that we have better graphics, seamless mouse, and so on. So follow the prompts just like I did. Click on this PC while in your Windows virtual machine. Double click on that, and double click on, yeah, that's it, AMD 64. Then click yes, and just follow the prompts. There you go. So it's still setting up. Click on next. Just follow the prompts. Leave it at default. And once this is done, once this is done, you should now have your Windows 11 virtual machine fully functional. I hope you found this video useful. You restart your device. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Cheers.